Oh, good. Hey, don't want. Just don't want. I go get it. Stay under. Go under.
Don't touch anything.
I can't open it.
Wait.
I can't open it, Daddy. I can't open it, Daddy. Hey. I put gas in it. That's enough.
Put gas in it. Slow.
I put gas in it. That's enough. I put gas in
Put the
it.
whole thing in. Put the whole thing in.
Have them off, Mike. Bit holding.
Give me the top. Well, give me the top. Give me the top. Give me the top.
Put them off.
You want ice cream?
That's all.
Save that because we're gonna put more soap in that container.
That's enough.
No, we're gonna put some more from the other way. The other way. Right. Turn it right. Okay, come on. Don't worry. Ice cream truck won't hurt you. Let's put it back. Lock it. Come on. Just lock it. Just lock the gas cap. Come on.
And the grass. There we go. I'm the bubbles.
You need the bubbles?
Yeah. Yeah.
You know what? Then push it on the sidewalk.
I got
And the sidewalk. Sidewalk. Here. Go, Anthony. Go, Anthony.
It's finished.
Hi.
I'll make that. I have to make that more bubbles.